Hi to all. Today we are going to see one case study on Python. It is our recommendation system. In real time, in day-to-day life, we are using a YouTube as much as possible, right? While now, for example, I have opened my YouTube. Under that, first it is initially showing the NIT Roorkee Big Data, Master Programming in Big Data. Why it is displayed means the maximum time in say for example, you can consider that the previous 4 to 5 days I have searched the online courses or master courses. Then the related I have searched a big data analytics, those things I have searched. So based on the recommendation system, it is being displayed at the first priority. It will be displayed. Next, if you come for next one, it is displaying a song, devotional song, because usually morning I hear the music using the YouTubes, so it is displayed. Usually I used to hear the Shiva songs, so it is displayed the next. So first one more foremost things I have searched a big data, so it is displayed first. And second one, I listen the music in everyday morning, like Shiva songs, so it is displayed second. Sometimes I may lift to hear the music, so it is displayed in second. Next, if it comes, the third news will be a BBC news, because nowadays it is a peak time of corona, right? So whenever I am taking a mobile phones, I will search some information, news related to corona. So it is maximum I will search from the BBC news. So it is displayed here. The next one is my daughter. It will play, or she will listen something. Okay. So it is displayed here. So how it is being displayed in our YouTube? Everything in this, behind this YouTube, is Python code. Python along with the machine learning and artificial intelligence. I am saying that these things it is displayed because of I have searched more times. I have spent more time to see the news related to those things, so it is displayed there. But whenever it is displaying, it will be work based on the recommendation system. What is recommendation system? The recommendation system is like a search engine for a recommended video for a particular user. So behind this search engine, they are using a machine learning and AI for develop this applications. Thank you.